Hey, hey. When you hear the word cooking, what kind of scenes come to mind? Perhaps it is a scene where a sparkling chef creates works of art using the finest ingredients? But what if there was a competition that went against that common sense? Today, let's dive deep together into the question, what is the true greatness of cooking? In the first place, there is a clear reason why humanity has used fire to cook. Of course, it is to make food delicious, but above all, it was to eat safely and reduce the burden on the digestive system to make nutrients easier to absorb. In other words, cooking was a clever adaptation for survival. When I thought about that, an interesting idea occurred to me. What if there were a competition where, instead of using delicious and safe high-end ingredients from the start, people competed using ingredients that are gross as they are, a bit dangerous, and yet abundant everywhere? Doesn't that sound incredibly exciting? It is obvious to make good ingredients into a good dish using good technique. But if we could turn things that would normally be thrown away, or things that cannot be eaten as they are, into the best feast through wisdom and skill, don't you think that would prove the evolution of wisdom that humans have cultivated so far? If such a dish were born, it would not just be a delicious plate of food, it could become a new weapon for humanity that could even solve hunger and food issues. You would gain a new perspective, redefining cooking from a luxurious pleasure to the ultimate skill for surviving. What do you think of this approach of cooking that dares to face difficulties? What kind of useless ingredients would you want to transform into the best dish, and with what kind of ingenuity?